Hi guys, today we're playing Dead Cells part 2, but with my older sister. Bro, hi, I'm Kobe.
I am Athena. Okay, we're gonna play Dead Cells.
Guys, just call Antonella Jazz. Totally di not...
Anong gagawin ko dito?
I-store mo.
Oh my God!
Wag, don't put that in the fire. Ina, can you quiet?
Yeah, no, I won't.
No! That's mine!
Guys, we need more coal.
Girl, wait a minute.
Hey, who's this shovel? Who the shovel? Athena, do you have a shovel? Oh, may action na yung wala.
I have...
Okay na.
Okay.
Oh my God, wait.
I guess this is mine. Tabing la.
Oh, I only have... $.
Bro! Just buy coal. Bumili ka ng...
$10, bro.
Bro, just buy coal, Ate Josh.
Oh my God.
Why should I shouldn't buy the... I have $60.
60,000.
Need items.
Wait.
No.
You are rich. No? Yeah, already. But I do not have enough money. So that's why konti lang.
I got $10 na lang. I have 10.
Did you have a code?
Tina, yes, ay Ate Jess.
Don't call me Antonella. I'm gonna kill you.
Oh. Hey.
Come on, let's go!
Wait, I'm gonna weld my... No.
Weld my dynamite.
Oh my god.
What the heck? Lalagay ko dito para safe. I will...
Weld my...
I do not trust you guys with this dynamite.
Paano nakuha ka yung
Because I'm a miner.
She's a miner.
Paya yung dynamite?
No,
No.
I do not. Kasi it will explode. Wait,
Kanina to yung
I don't know. I just found it on the floor.
ano?
Should we go?
Wait. Okay, let's go.
Yes.
When you see a building, we will fight it. Guys, it was just a cutscene. What is love? Baby, don't go. Stop it. Perfect timing.
Wait, I'm gonna...
Store it.
Oh my God, my mama.
This is my suitcase. I like it. How do I get in? Trabaho. Come on, let's go.
Faster.
no.
I got back.
Guys, should I drag the baby?
Alright, we're ready to go. Wait.
Yeah. Yo.
Let me see if everything's swelled. Okay, let's go. Tagal ganun. Right? Well, the night is shining on. Guys, ito yung technique natin. When it's night time, try, we do not stop, but we need to kill some zombies. When it's daytime, okay? Look, I'm gonna jump. I'm clicking. Yes, final. No, keep going. Muna niyo yung house niyo. Ay! Tigas!
There's a house.
I'm not gonna stop for that house. Excuse me.
Okay.
55.
Got
Wow.
20.
Boy, the cold right now.
No, we have some fuel. I'm gonna put some zombies in the fuel. Steel plate? Where is it? Steel. Oh, we need that for barricade. That's the only one we can get. Wait lang, ano nangyari? What happened? Kailangan natin to. Tina, can you buy some? How many products do you have?
I got 0 now.
Dang, I have. Wait, can we sell the bandages?
Your bandage.
Wait lang, ako na.
You need to bandage.
I'm gonna sell it. Because I can spawn bandages out of nowhere.
I'm gonna sell my
Are you
diamond.
gonna
Oh yeah, you can sell your dynamite.
I only sold 1 dynamite, so I got 7 diamonds.
Alright. Guys, so we're very secure. She
Why
like
you have a bandage? Why you buy the bandage? You have 2 bandage, bro. Wait, what is
Oh,
that?
I want
What is
to
that?
buy the
Steel?
do not so we have defenses.
You here. Gunstone.
Para may defenses tayo.
Bro, you have many.
Alright, are we ready to go?
I will drive.
Can I sell all of your dynamite, Atigas?
No.
Let me sell one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I sold 2 because that's mine. Dynamite you have. Hey, don't sell any dynamite, okay?
Bilis na. Gusto ko mag-drive.
Chill. We're kinda wasting daylight. Go, just drive.
Okay, I will. Wait.
Just go.
Where's Ate Jess?
She's right here on the roof.
Is this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing here? Okay.
Me, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
Encore.
Don't follow.
Kuya Atigas. Bah! Ay! Grabe! Stop! Wait, ano yun? May horse? Wait lang. Ako to, ako.
Oh my God!
Guys, my sister. Akin to.
Oh my God! There's the guard!
Oh Sige, bahala. Lapitan natin. Lapitan natin. Last words.
Go, Athena.
I got
I'm gonna
it!
score.
There's more? Wait, what's in the house? Oh my god, there's a zombie and drown.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll see. Oh, thank you, Ate Jan. Oh,
Mayroong mga V's. I'll leave it to you guys.
thank you, Ate Jan.
I'm gonna leave you guys.
Wait, the place is mine!
For me.
Mosquito!
What is it called? There's a big foot!
Saan? Nasaan?
Oh my god, the Bigfoot.
Nasaan? Where? Let's go back to the base! Come on! Tara na, tara na! Nasaan yung Bigfoot?
Oh my god.
It's on the house.
Ay! 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 Sheila, it's a boy! Sheila! Atin, saan ka? Bilis! Bumalik ka dito!
Come on, Nick.
Bilis! I'm gonna kill this Bigfoot. Hindi yan pwede i-store. Wait lang! I need some bandage. Go, go, go! Galaw! Walang mag-stop! Walang mag-stop! Wala, iwan ko yung bandage ko. Grabe. Ito pang protect to pag nahulog tayo. Wink. Yeah. Ate Gas! Anong dito?
Okay, we have many holes now.
Ay! Grabe, kala ko lang ba doon? She likes a boy, she likes a... Ano yun? Yun na?
15.
Let's go. 5K more. I mean, pag 18K na, sabihin nandun. Uy, grabe na yun!
Wizard.
You're a wizard, Harry!
17.
Parang, he looks friendly, pero I do not trust him.
Yeah. Old people are very, very, very weird. 18K.
Nice.
Oh my god.
No.
Bigfoot.
Where?
There.
Okay, stop! Stop, baka ma-overshoot mo. Wala na, na-overshoot na to. Overshoot na to. Overshoot, overshoot!
Bala kayo dyan. I jump.
Isisell ko na tong...
Sakto lang!
Ate Gas!
Look! Oh my god, it's perfect.
Gaya nga, no?
Of course, I'm...
Di, dapat kasi. Di ba yung joystick mo, dapat you should have pulled it down. I'ma sell this gun. Whoa! Uy. I'ma sell this gun. Guys, the horse, the gold horse or unicorn was worth like $150. Yo, I can. What the? Wait, let's buy some coal. You forgot, guys.
Girl, we have many corpse here.
Wait, let's go. There's more steel. I can buy everything. Not everything though.
Okay, bye.
Uy,
Come on, we're wasting our time.
I have 7 metal sheets.
Hey, we need fuel.
Yes.
I feed the boat
Wait!
one kill.
Wait, we can do it with the mosquito.
Kita. 79. Okay.
You have 79 battery. Yan na nating mosquito na to. Fuel. Kasi malaking bibig.
Ako na mag-fuel.
Ako na. Kunti. Wait! Lagay lang muna ako ng dalawa.
Isa pa yung mosquito. Wait lang.
Uy!
Daw kayo mag...
Wag mo na i-weld.
Sige.
I-weld mo yun. Ako na.
Bilis na. Ako na mag-drive.
Wait lang, wag muna, Tina. Wait, hinarangan mo yung shop. Yan, ganyan.
Yan.
Okay na yun, Ate Guys.
Bilis na.
Tina, wait. Pwede naman tayo magstay dito eh.
Yeah, I know.
Wala namang time limit eh.
Gusto na yung inaano ko.
Ito.
Boy.
Oy, ikaw na nga.
Ako na mag-drive.
Ba't kasi nandito to?
Alisin mo. Ako na.
Hurry.
Ayun na, nagawa ko na. Let's go!
Yung on-weld.
Wag mo unwell, wag mo i-press yun ah.
Ito ka sa taas. Ate dyan.
Me too. Let's go!
3, 2, 1, go!
Madami tayong sinayang oras, okay lang yan. Ikaw, pag alabas na, magiging night time na pag sabi ko, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, we're on a good start. We have metal sheets.
Oh no, may mga...
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Stop for that town! Wait, do not stop yet, bro! Have common sense.
Wait, may mga
Oh,
dito.
It's nighttime.
It's okay, it's just normal nighttime. Go, let's go! Hey!
I think may over.
Mana mo! Mana mo! Mana mo! Mana mo! Ayoko na!
Baby, Paul! Balik na! Ay! Balik si drive mo! Wait lang, may metal sheet tayo. Pinapatik tayo. Ay! Ay! Ay, tigas! Atina, go! Let's go, tigas! Tina, let's go! Ay! Ah! Balikan mo! Ay! Tama na! Oo, nakita ko. Malapit na tayo. Mag-stop ka dyan! Stop! I-pull down mo! Yan. Di bumili ka.
They don't have turrets here.
Pwede ko pa guys. Uy, try nyo nga i-sell to. I-try nyo nga sell to.
Sige.
Para may pera din.
Bilis lang daw, bilhin kayo yung coal para ano.
Guys, pag daytime na, get on the train. I mean the boat. O, pwede nga.
Got my colors.
Bili kayo.
Cool.
Part doon. Ano?
Wag yan, Atigas.
Bili mo.
Ano?
Tina, coal.
You cold? Pabigay mo sa akin
No. Fine. Oh, I spawned in another medkit. Alright, let's go. Just get it, broski.
Ako! Yes!
Wait, tigas!
Stop it!
Tigas ako na mag-drive.
I think I will.
You need a break.
Go! 69. Come on.
Saan ka, tigas? Twinkling, ang guli-guli ko. Sorry about this. We'll run a bit. Alright, there's a house. And 3, 2, 1. Likod mo, tigas!
Mama ko.
Ako na. Ako na!
Bobby!
Tigas, pacifist ka ba? Are you a pacifist? Uy! Uy, ang dami dito.
Nag-stop na ako.
Uy, nawala yung shovel ko. Buti na lang meron tayo. Backup shovel. Pwede pala masira yung ano? Yung...
Shovel.
Oo. Nasira yung sa akin.
Lagi na ako. Actually, diyan na.
Sino nawala? Ang shovel dito. Uy, Mowai, let's go!
Man!
Lagay dito. Dito nilalagay para lucky charm. Wait, pa tayo ready.
Uy, Kobe.
Ano? Nag-click. Hindi, lalagay ko na. Ilan?
Bilis. Kailangan natin ng malis.
Go, go, go! Let's go!
Ako na.
Mosquito.
Nasaan ka?
Yes!
Dito ba ako?
Wait, wait. Okay. Up.
Kuya, pagkita tayo, yung bahay.
Ayun ang may bahay. Wait, what's up?
May mga...
Ha? Namatay ako.
Meron ka sa pulis.
Ha? Uy, ang dami. Narinig tayo. May bandage. Wala masyadong naman dito. Worthless. Merong suitcase. Sino gusto? I like my suitcase. Okay. Tina, a vase for you. Ako sa inyo. May nakita akong gold bar on Atina's feet. Sorry. Guys, we're gonna end the video here but we're still gonna play. Bye-bye!
Bye!